Central Excise Amendment Bill 2025. So what is this topic, why it is in use, we'll discuss, friends. The Parliament passed the Central Excise Amendment Bill 2025 with the Rajya Sabha approving and returning it to the Lok Sabha. So first of all we'll discuss about this amendment bill. This bill seeks to amend the Central Excise Act 1944. The Act provides for the levy and collection of central excise duties on goods manufactured or produced in India. Central excise duties are many items were repealed with the introduction of goods and services tax in 2017, except for certain items such as tobacco and tobacco products. Tobacco and tobacco products continue to face a three-layered taxation structure comprising GST and GST compensation, cess and central excise duty. If you can see the key provisions of the bill increases central excise duty on unmanufactured tobacco, manufactured tobacco, tobacco products and tobacco substitutes. Unmanufactured products from 64% to 70%, and chewing tobacco from 25% to 100%, hookah or gutka tobacco from 25% to 40%, smoking mixtures for pipes and cigarettes from 60% to 325%. Cigarettes current duty under the Act ranges from 200 rupees to 735 per thousand cigarettes. The bill proposes a significant increases to 2,700 to 11,000 per thousand cigarettes.